How to fix not receiving emails in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook welcome page, and then from here, let's go ahead and sign in to our account. So we can just click sign in, and then from here, we can go ahead and sign in to our account. So I already have my account right here. I can just click that, and then here we are in the Outlook inbox. So let me reload this so that it goes to my inbox. So we'll just wait for this to finish loading. And then from here, we are now in my Outlook inbox. So there are a variety of reasons in why you are not receiving emails in Outlook. So the first reason is that maybe your email is being flagged as spam or junk mail. So the first thing that you need to do is that you can go right here to junk email. And then from here, you can go ahead and see if there are any emails right here that you are expecting, and then they are flagged as a junk mail. So if you see your email right here, you can just go ahead and right click, go to report, and then report as not junk, so that the email will be moved to your main inbox. So you can just click not junk, and then you will have an option right here to see that never send future messages from the email right here to the junk folder. So now your Outlook account will remember that whenever they are receiving emails from that specific address, they will immediately put it to your main folder. So they will not flag it as junk or spam anymore. So you can click OK, and then you will see reported as not junk, and then you should now see that email in your main inbox. So in my case, it is this email right here. The next thing that you need to know is that you might also see your email right here in other. So you can see two tabs right here. You have the focus tab where you have all of your emails right here that Outlook deems as important. And then you also have the other tab right here. So these are the emails that Outlook deems as not that important. So it will put it in the other tab. And then you can go ahead and see if there are any emails right here that you are expecting. So you can just go ahead and choose from the two tabs right here to find the email that you are looking for. Next thing that you need to know is your internet. So maybe you are in the Outlook website, and then you might see that your internet is not working. So just double check your Wi-Fi or internet if you have internet access. And then if you don't, you just need to fix the problem for your internet, and then you can go ahead and access your Outlook email again, and then so that you can receive new emails. The next thing that you need to check is that if your inbox is full. So for example, if you're using like a certain plan in Outlook or in your Microsoft account, so you might have your storage being full. And then if your storage is full, you cannot receive emails anymore. So to double check that, you can go to File, and then you can go to Settings. From here, go to Account, and then go to Storage. So from here, you should see how much space that you have already used in your Microsoft account or in your Outlook account. So let me see right here. So you will see right here in the storage how many storage that you have used. So as you can see, I still have a lot of storage right here. So it says that I've just used 0.1 gigabyte over 5 gigabytes. But if you see that your storage is already full, what you need to do is that you need to free up some space. So you can choose this one. So you can click Outlook attachments, and then you can go ahead and delete some emails right here with large files of attachments. Or you can just go to your inbox, and then you can select like the emails that you want to delete, and then you can just delete them right away right here. And then that is it. So you just need to do that so that you can free up some space in your Outlook account. The next thing that you need to do is that you need to check your inbox filters. So you have your filters right here at the top. So you have this filter right here where you can filter all of your messages or all of your unread messages or all of your flag emails and so on. So you just need to make sure that you have the correct filter turned on right here. So because for example, if you have this filter right here that says mention me, so it will just show emails that have mentioned you. And as you can see, I don't have any emails for that. Or if you have the filter to has files, so it will just open the emails right here that has attachments. So just make sure that you are using the correct filter, as well as the sort filter right here. So you can have some different sort types right here. So you can sort by date, you can sort by from, or by category, and so on. And then you also need to check if your sort order is newest on top. So if you have all this on top, so that's why maybe you can see new emails since your new emails is at the bottom. So just go ahead and double check the settings from here. The next thing that you need to check is that if you have blocked senders. So to see that, you can just go to file and then go to settings, go to mail, and then go to junk email. So maybe you have some people right here that is set to blocked senders and domains. So make sure that you delete them from your blocked senders and domains, because this stops or this blocks that specific email from receiving it in your inbox. So I have a test email right here, so I can just click delete so that they will be removed right here from the blocked senders and domains. And then you can just click save so that they are saved successfully. And then what you can also do is that you can add them as a safe sender so that they will always be marked as safe, and then they will be always be received by your inbox. So just go ahead and do that. And then lastly is that you also need to check for email rules. So you can go right here to file and then go to mail and then go to rules. So maybe you have some sort of rule right here that prevents you from receiving email. So what you need to do is that you just need to delete a rule that prevents you from receiving certain emails. And then that is basically it. So those are different solutions that you can do to fix the problem of not receiving emails in Outlook. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.